Hackeristan, and guys, we are going to talk about another one tool. This time name is a Wafw00f, which is one of the very powerful tool and a part of Kali Linux that comes default when you just like start utilizing any Kali Linux version, especially recent one. So basically guys, this tool is designed to detect or fingerprint the information about that the web application firewall which is in use on the target site or a target website that you want to pen test, or like usually attackers also utilize um, this particular tool to fingerprint the information about web application firewall if the website is running behind. So I'll not take much of your time guys, let's move to the next. So that's a small information about me guys. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Vikas Kumar. Here guys, I am to share my knowledge and the information, um, security and cyber security. Like the different tools and the topics that we cover up that I love to just share my knowledge about, especially. So in case if somebody is interested to connect with me, so can find me at Hackeristan 6828, which is my Twitter ID. So anytime can can join. Moving to the next slide guys, this is about a Wafw00f, like small description about guys. So basically web application firewall is one of the very powerful shield that actually a web application has got ever. So nowadays, like one of the first step for the attacker or hacker is to just fingerprint the information that if a website is running behind a application firewall. So what is that firewall? What is the possibly version which is in use? So the kind of information that every attacker or a pen tester would like to know. So to make this task easy, they always just rely upon the Wafw00f tool that makes the task easy, so that they can find the information about the same. So in case if somebody wants to get a more detail about it, can please visit the the lot of like the articles available over the Wafw00f written already and available at the Google. So let's move to the next guys. How does it work? So basically Wafw00f just does what it always sends a normal HTTP HTTP request to the target site, and waits for the response. And once the response receives at the Wafw00f site, it starts analyzing the same and start identifying the signature and the the number of the web solution. So accordingly it just check that the it's WAF a database of the respective firewall signature that it matched to the through the HTTP header that actually it analyze in in regards to the response that it has received so far. So that is how that this particular tool actually work guys. So this particular tool has got a very long list of the web application firewall that it has the capability to identify based on the signature analysis that it actually analyze in the response of a header. So I'll take it through directly guys to the practical, and in case if you're more interested to know about it, so as I said, you please go to the Google and just start finding the information about it. So for showing you the guys practical, I'm gonna use a Kali Linux latest version, and where this tool is already available, I'll simply type Wafw00f and dash help. So that is the help menu that gives you the idea about the different options it has got and can utilized by you people to to test the site and to get output accordingly that you want. So this is something that that helps you to give you the information that what all the options are available and can be useful. So let me just show you some practical examples of it. Let me just show you, for example, what all the list of the web application firewall that it has a capability to detect and available in its database. So you can see that it has a very long list of the web application firewall that it has a capability to detect. So once the HTTP header is analyzed fully, that it has received to case of its response that it always send a HTTP request again. So now, in case if you want to know that whether a site is running behind a firewall or not, so I'll pick it up some random few sites. uh, for this I'll just go to online and just type, let's say, just type dash a, so that it will be just like finding all the web application, like webs which matches the signature, and will not like stop itself on the on the test. um, like once the testing is over, then only it will be like stopping itself. So after that I'll just use dash v for a verbose purpose, in case like if you're interested to see the process happening in the like the screen, so that will help. And after that I'll simply type the site name. So sorry, I think few things I have mistakenly copied here. I need to give some space, enter. So now this particular tool has started sending the HTTP request, and like will wait for the response, and accordingly it will analyze the packet and the header, and will just try to just check which verb like application firewall signature is matching to the to the particular signatures that it has identified in the packet itself. So as in our case, it is telling that the site that we have just like tried to test is running behind a NetScaler app firewall centric system, web application firewall, that it is running behind a firewall, it seems. Now let me just go ahead and try this. So I'm trying the another one site. So this is telling me that this also the website which is running behind a firewall, web application firewall, and the web application firewall name is a Cloudflare, basically, that is running behind. So the different signatures that it has test, it will come up with a different information. So let me try the skyscanner.com.my. So this particular site is possibly running behind some firewall, but it could not identify. The reason is the server header is different when an attack is detected. So this particular the server uh, possibly running behind a WAF, but we probably may need some more extra efforts to identify the same. But this is the way that you guys can easily just identify whether a site is running behind a application firewall or not. So that helps to ensure that to pen test the site, or it also helps to the like attackers to accordingly just like fingerprint the application firewall information before they start directly attacking to the or trying to compromising the website. So as we tried this site, and it's also running behind our application firewall. So guys, that is how that a particular tool can be utilized, and in fact we can just export the result also, in case if you are interested. So in case if you are interested, you just simply utilize the option dash o, and the like the file name that you would like to just like export the file. So you just need to like define the like the file format. Let me just say like waf.css CSV. So you can see that one file is just created there. So I do not have a official tool to go through this, but this is the Linux command that I'm utilizing to go through the detail. So this is the detail available here. So guys, hope you must have loved this idea to find the information about our application firewall. In case if you are having a number of uh, list of the site to test in a one go, so that you can also just utilize another one option called as like dash I for our input, and define the text file or a CSV file here. Just locate the path here simply, and then as soon as you enter, so it will be start testing the one by one each site, and give you the result guys accordingly. So that is how that nowadays people are fingerprinting the information about the application firewall. So hope this video would have been helping you to just fingerprint the application firewall that you are trying to target, and you trying to know the more details about it, whether a site is running behind our application firewall. So thank you so much guys. Just a small request, in case if you like the video, please comment, like and subscribe the channel also, and also ring ring the bell icon. So this is gonna help, so when the next time I'm uploading the video, so it will be giving a notification to you, and you won't miss that, so that you will be getting the another one, the method and the tool information with a practical demonstration to play with. So thank you so much guys, please take care, please stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much guys, we'll see you soon with another one practical with a new tool information. Thank you, goodbye, take care.